Hi guys, welcome to our wind experiment. You can play along at home too. First, let me show you how to do it. The wind is created by the earth heating up, various landforms on the earth heating up at different times based on the sun. So we know there's mountains and there's flat land, and when that sun heats up the earth at different points, like the mountain is higher, so maybe it heats up first and then a valley, the difference in those temperatures causes wind or air to move. So today we're going to practice our own wind that comes from our bodies and see how much wind it takes to move something, just for fun. So I've gathered up some supplies around my house: a highlighter, a tea bag, a hair scrunchie, a plastic cup, a battery, a paintbrush, a little dog, a flower, a cotton ball, and a notepad. And we're going to see, oh, and a rock. Forgot to mention the rock. We're going to see how hard it is for air to move things. So you might, before you do this experiment, you might want to divide your things into two groups. I think that it's going to be easy for my wind to move the cotton ball, the flower, the paintbrush, the tea bag, and maybe the notepad, I'm not quite sure, and maybe the scrunchie, but I think it's definitely going to be harder for it to move the highlighter, the battery, the rock, and maybe the plastic cup. So I've kind of got my hypothesis. That means you're thinking about what you think it's going to do, and you're going to test the results of what you're thinking. So I'm going to start with the things that I think are, whoops, the dog. Did I put him in the wrong category, guys? I think he's going to be hard to move. Let me try the cotton ball first. So I'm going to bend down. I've got a reusable straw because I'm thinking about the environment. And I'm going to blow the cotton ball and see how far it goes. Take a deep breath in before you do this, guys. And blow out. Check that out. I blew it all the way to the camera. That was pretty easy. Next, I'm going to try the tea bag. I think it should be easy, but let me try. Well, that was not as easy as the cotton ball, but still pretty easy. Let's try the paintbrush. Oh, yep, pretty easy. Probably because it's round and it rolls too. And the dried flower. Yep, that was pretty easy. Now, I wasn't quite sure about this notepad. Let's try that. Oh, a little harder. And let's try this scrunchie. Whew, I'm running out of air, guys. I know that's hard for you to believe. All right, now let's try the things that I thought would be a little harder, like the puppy. I can barely move that puppy. Let's try the highlighter. Oh, that was a little easier to move. Again, probably because it's like the paintbrush and it's rounded. Now I'm going to try the plastic cup. Oh, that was easier to move than I hypothesized. Let's try the battery. That was easier to move than I hypothesized too. I'm sure because it is a cylinder. One of our words, it's in the form of a cylinder, one of our geometric shapes. And now let's try the rock. I think we all know how this is going to go, but let's try it anyway. Oh, all I could do was make it wiggle a little bit, guys. I couldn't even move it, even with all my hot air. So I hope that you'll try this at home, and it would be fun if you even wanted to video it for us. But just try it. Have a great time. This is another example of how fun science can be. Bye, guys.